Hello and welcome back to the Stats Layers. Today we have a very simple problem that you can use to enlarge your or enhance your understanding of the unit circle. So let's get started. If pi over 2 is less than x is less than pi and sine x is half, what is the value of cosine x? So this problem very much depends on your understanding of the unit circle. If you don't understand the unit circle, please pause this video and go and memorize it to try and understand this problem better. The unit circle is also very important on the SAT, so just knowing it will make you feel better on testing. So let's start by translating this bit going on over here. Pi over 2 is less than x is less than pi. So pi over 2, in case you don't know, is 90. How do you know? You memorize, but also if you don't know, and if you just face this problem testing and you have no idea what pi over 2 is, you just replace pi with 180. That's just the basic rule. And this rule came from 2 pi equal 360. We just simplified it. Anyway, pi over 2, 180 over 2 is less than x is less than pi, which is 180. So what this tells me is that our x is going to be in the second quadrant of the graph. How do I know that it's going to be in the second quadrant? Because here, if you draw a very basic sketch of the unit circle, you're going to notice that we have 0, 360, we have 90, we have 180, we have 270. So between 90 and 180 is going to be over in this range. You should also know that in this first quadrant, we have the numbers are going to be positive, positive. This one's going to be negative, positive. This one's going to be negative, negative, and this one's going to be positive, negative. This is just a helpful piece of information that you need to know. So here it says if sine x is half, and we're still talking about the second quadrant, by the way, what is the value of cosine x? So to solve this question, you also need to memorize the values and the coordinates. So I recommend memorizing them, but for now I'm just going to sketch them over here. So for 30, it's going to be radical 3 over 2 half. For 45, it's going to be radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And for 60, it's going to be half radical 3 over 2. And we can use this first quadrant to mirror the rest. So this is going to mirror this. So we're going to have half radical 3 over 2, but don't forget the signs. Because this is negative and positive quadrant, we're going to remember that the half is going to be negative. And then we have here 2 radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2, negative radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2. And the last one we have radical 3 over 2 and half. So it's getting a little bit messy, but I hope you can understand what's going on. Radical 3 over 2 radical and half. And don't forget the negative radical 3 over 2 and half. Next, we're just going to pinpoint which one half is. So if you don't know what sine is basically y. So you're going to look for a coordinate that has y as 1 over 2. So this one is radical 3 over 2, so that's not the one we're looking for. This one is radical 2 over 2, not the one we're looking for. And this one is half, which is exactly what we're looking for. And now the question is asking us for what is cosine x. Cosine is x, in case you couldn't tell. And now we're going to find the appropriate cosine, the x value, the appropriate x value for a sine value that is half. So it's this one. It's just negative 3 over 2. Negative radical 3 over 2, which is answer A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and enjoy your day.